everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to try a recipe I have never tried before, but it looks pretty easy and delicious. Today is peanut butter mousse. One thing I like about this recipe is it uses grocery staples. You probably have most or all of the ingredients already at your house. Peanut butter, salt, cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla, heavy whipping cream, and granulated sugar. That's it. Before you do anything else, take the cream cheese out of the refrigerator. We need this to be softened. Yes, I know you could put it in the microwave or you can give it a warm water bath, but I don't want this melted, just softened. To speed the process up, you could cut it into chunks and maybe it'll only take 20 minutes before it softens, but an hour ahead of time is best, and that's what I've done today. To get the ball rolling, we are going to use 1 cup of peanut butter. This is creamy peanut butter. Don't get the chunky, nobody wants a chunky mousse. As for any recipe using peanut butter, don't forget to pay the dog tax. A pinch of salt, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and we beat until smooth. Squeaky mixers work best. I didn't know what speed to use on this thing. It didn't seem to matter if I used low or high. Once the mixture became homogeneous, it just kind of kept the same texture no matter what. So I'm gonna call it good. In a separate bowl, I am adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and a tablespoon of sugar. This is what my peanut butter mixture looks like. Now we are going to whip the cream until whipped cream forms. That looks good to me. Now we fold these two together, which I'm kind of skeptical about this part, but we'll give it a try here. This peanut butter mixture is super dense. I don't think my whipped cream is whipped enough. It had stiff peaks. Yeah, this isn't working. Oh boy. I figured out what I did wrong. I was supposed to have 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. I only had 1. That will make a difference, so let's try it again. However, my mixture now has a cup of cream and a cup of sugar in there too. So it does change the recipe and it should make it easier to fold. Let's try this again. And that looks like proper whipped cream, right? My ratios are going to be off, so I'm not sure if I really want to put the entire batch of peanut butter stuff into this whipped cream, but we'll see what happens. A little bit more. Keep going. Another 1/2 cup. I'm going to transfer this into as many dessert bowls as makes sense. You can either serve this immediately or put it in the refrigerator for a half hour, hour, whatever, to stiffen up. I'm waiting for the girls to get home, so I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for now. And actually, I think I'm going to make another batch of whipped cream and create some more mousse. I'm just going to add all of the remaining peanut butter stuff to the whipped cream and fold them together. Got to bring the backup bowls. Not quite as nice, but they'll do. And I think this is going to be the sampler bowl. And I think I'll make one more batch of whipped cream just to put on top. 1, 2, and a cup of whip. I'm not known for my dolloping skills, but I'll do my best. And with whipped cream, don't forget the dog tax. Like I said, you can serve this immediately or put them in the refrigerator to give them a firmer texture. I have 7 servings in the refrigerator right now, but I have to try it, so. This is the sampler bowl. Oh yeah, that is rich and creamy. The peanut flavor really comes through too. This is delicious. This recipe may not have come out exactly as intended, but it's delicious. You should definitely make this at home. Now in the description, I will post what I tried to make and what actually happened, and you can choose what recipe you'd rather follow. In the meantime, thanks for stopping by.